It was rough, but lately I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall. And I see my family every month.